Hey, what's up, my friend? Quick question to you. Do you ever feel like your income is unpredictable? Maybe you're earning, but you still have a feeling at the end of the month that it's so unpredictable? Well, you are not alone. Millions and millions of people are living in what I call an income chaos. They are hustling, they are earning, they are spending, and on repeat. There is no system, there is no predictability. And in this video, I want to show you and help you how you can flip that, how you can start focusing on reliable, systemic income streams that you can count on. Let's dive in. You see, the truth is you cannot get rich just on savings alone. You need to have an income, but not just an income that is systemic, that is reliable, that is monthly, that you can count on. Compare it to the income that is unsystemic, some bonus that you get somewhere, some freelance gig. You need to focus on income that maybe can be your salary for where you start. It can be some contract, like a retainer that you receive monthly that you can count on. It can be business revenue that is predictable, that is subscription based, or a model that the cash flow is keep coming in. This is so crucial. If you have the control of the income stream, it can be rental income. You buy real estate, and for real estate the income is gonna come predictably. That's an income you can count on and you can build wealth with. Of course, income is not the only thing in the formula as we teach in Financial Freedom Academy, but it's quite an important one that you focus and you master on. So here's an example, okay? Let's say that you want to have a goal. You want to have like a $4 million villa that you want to buy. And let's say you save $1 million and you are short of 3 million, right? You need $3 million. And currently you're saving $10,000 a month. At this rate, how much is gonna require you to save up $10 million for a villa? Well, quite a lot. Times 10 is 100,000, times 100 is 1 million, like 300 months. It's too much, right? So what is the solution to this? Well, you need to increase your savings, increase how much you are saving every month. But how you're going to increase your savings? The only way you're going to increase your savings is you're going to increase your income, right? There's only so much that you can cut costs, that you can focus on expenses. It's all nice if you have those fleeks, your expenses. It's important to cut those down, but you got to focus on income, and not just one income. If you have one income, right? What's the problem with one income? If something happens with this one income, you don't have an income and you have a problem. So you need to have multiple streams of income and reliable income. Ask yourself how much of your income right now is reliable, is systemic, versus non-reliable, non-systemic. Is less than 80%, that there is an issue, right? Because you're living an unreliable source of income. You need to change that. Put a focus on that. So upgrade your skills, get a raise, create more sales, do something, create asset producing dividends. Focus on increasing that income so that you can increase what? Your savings. That's the big mistake a lot of people make, is that they increase their income, but the savings is the same. They increase their lifestyle, right? They go and get a better car, better house, better watch, whatever. Don't do these mistakes. Keep expenses the same, okay? Keep expenses the same, but increase your income and increase your savings. Got it? Okay, that is the plan. That's how you're gonna get it. So this $4 million villa, you need $3 million saved. Maybe you start with 10K, then it goes to 15K a month, then it goes to 20K a month, then it goes to 40K a month, then it goes to 50K a month. then it goes to 70K a month. And within a couple of years, you're gonna save extra $3 million and you're gonna buy a villa instead of getting a mortgage on it. We're just gonna buy a villa in one time and don't pay ridiculous mortgage on it. So that's how you can do that. Okay, systemic, focusing on those two things: increasing your income and increasing your savings. I hope you enjoyed this video. You want to dive deeper, we go in depth in Financial Freedom Academy, where it's a community of driven individuals who focus on wealth building, focus on income streams, focus on the whole money management aspect to do it like a pro. I'll see you in the next videos.